Welcome to the Knowledge Nest. Dive into the wonders of animals, birds, and wild nature. 50 unique questions, just pure and fascinating natural facts. How many can you get right? Please like, comment, and share the video. Also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. What animal can breathe through its skin? What bird preys on snakes? What is Earth's largest and driest desert? What causes calving in glaciers? What animal has a four-chambered heart? What bird can hover motionless in air? What is the highest tree in the world? What phenomenon is a solar eclipse? What animal has strongest grip pressure? What bird is called the living fossil? What is the largest type of fish? What causes columnar basalt formations? What animal has the longest tail? What bird can run faster than it flies? What is the largest natural arch? What phenomenon causes moon illusion? What animal has no natural predators? What bird can dive deepest for food? What is Earth's largest freshwater lake by area? What causes permafrost? What animal changes skin color quickly? What bird uses a fishing technique with lures? What is the most common rock on Earth? What forms a moonbow? What animal has largest eyes relative to body? What bird is a deep sea diver? What is Earth's largest single structure? What causes sheet lightning? What animal has no external ears? What bird sleeps standing on one leg? What is the lowest point on land? What phenomenon is lenticular cloud? What animal has a lifespan of 1 day? What bird is known for its communal nesting? What is the largest river by discharge volume? What causes rockfalls in mountains? What animal has natural biological clocks? What bird has iridescent plumage? What is the world's largest hot desert? What phenomenon is brinicle? What animal can survive decapitation for days? What bird performs a sky dance? What is the longest natural arch bridge? What causes blue tears in oceans? What animal has highest blood pressure? What bird is known for its elaborate courtship dance? What is the highest point in South America? What creates northern skylights? What animal is a living fossil? What bird is known for its distinct laugh? Appreciate your time. Hit that bell so you never miss a video.